Okay, sometimes baking and cooking fails on you. So I wanted to show you this video because this happens to me as well, even though I cook from scratch 3 times a day and doing it for many, many years. This is a pie crust. This pie crust becomes a pie crumble because the crust was not wanting to crust. So go ahead and enjoy this video of me trying to repair this recipe for pie crust to make chicken pot pie, and you will see that it's a fail until I decide to just go ahead and make it more of a crumble and just repair it the best I can. So this is kind of like a good idea to keep in mind when something starts to not work out, no matter how you try, you can still turn it into something else. So maybe I've baked bread before and it was really dense or gooey or something like that. So what I ended up doing was just crumbling it up and baking it a little bit longer, and I made breadcrumbs that we can go ahead and put on fish or whatever else you want to do breadcrumbs for. This happens to be the pie crust. Just could not get it together at all, no matter how hard I tried. So I just kind of smushed in the bottom of the cast iron pan instead of a pie plate. I use that. And then I fill my chicken pot pie filling like I normally would, and you'll see that in the other module. And then I just kind of crumbled the remaining pie crust on top to make it more of a crumble, since I couldn't get it to be a flat pie. So just something to keep in mind. You can always turn a lot of stuff into something else. You don't have to throw it away. It just may not be what you were expecting, but that's okay because it is still delicious and something you can still eat and enjoy with your family.